Hello everybody, welcome to your lesson. Today we will talk about the past continuous. For the past continuous we are going to use the past of the verb to be. So let's check the lesson. Which are the rules of the past continuous tense? Well, for the affirmative sentence you are going to use the subject plus the past of the verb to be that corresponds to that subject, in this case, she. Verb to be was. Then your verb with the ending ing. Cooking. All morning is the complement. So, she was cooking all morning. For the negative sentence, subject, verb to be plus not, plus the verb with ing. She was not sleeping when he came home. And for the question, as usual, we are going to use first the verb to be. The correspondent verb to be for she is was. Was she sleeping when he came home? Here I have more examples. They. The verb to be for they is were. They were playing soccer last night at 8 p.m. Very specific information. She wasn't watching TV at 6 p.m. Question. Were they eating cake yesterday at 3 p.m.? Okay, just remember, verb to be, you are going to use was with I, he, she, and it. And you're going to use were with we, you, and they. Okay, here I have some examples. After this, it's going to be your turn to do your own examples. So here I have, the question is, what was Sarah doing yesterday at? And here we have different times of the day. So we're going to tell specific information about the activities Sarah was doing at this time. So at 10 in the morning, at 8 in the morning, 8 a.m., she was taking a shower. At 10 past 10, she was having breakfast. At 12:25, she was working in the office. At 5 past 4, she was eating supper with a friend. At 8:20 p.m., she was arriving to her house. So these activities are talking about a specific moment in the past. Now we are talking about the activities that Sarah was doing yesterday. Yes? And now we have the negative form and the question form, so you can have more examples. Negative form. At 8 a.m., she wasn't having breakfast. At 10 past 10, she was working in her office. Question. Was she having lunch at 25 past 12? No, she wasn't. Was she driving at 5 past 4? No, she wasn't. Was she arriving home at 20 past 8? Yes, she was. So here you have more specific activities in the past. Now it is your turn. You are going to create activities that you were doing at this time of the day, yesterday at this time of the year. So you need to deliver 5 sentences, 5 affirmative sentences, 5 negative sentences, and deliver 5 questions. Write them all in your platform. That's all for today. Bye-bye.